right. Hello, and welcome to HiveScience. We're going to get some strange science for you going here in just a second. Thank you for riding the peed with me there. Wanted to do it a couple of times through because it didn't go through right the first time. So thank you so much for sticking with me. And we are going to be looking at some fun science. And I cannot wait to talk about our shark topic. So let's dive right in. This is from HiveScience. This is a year from last year, but it's still a cool video. And it's evergreen as far as I'm concerned when it comes to the topic. Walking sharks caught on video astound scientists. This unique ability allows this fish to hunt where other sharks cannot survive. All right. The unusual front fins of epaulet sharks, Hemicilium ocellatum, help them do something that no other shark can do: walk on land. Walking on land, a shark? Are you crazy? That I say as I read the article, and you all learn a little bit as well. On a remote outcropping at nightfall on the coast of Papua New Guinea on May 3rd, 2022, scientists encountered something amazing: a walking shark. Using its fins to drag itself, the diminutive tan and black speckled shark shimmied across the tide pool that contained barely enough water to skim its belly, moving like a lumbering sea lion as it dragged its body across the shores. The creature was an epaulet shark, Hemicilium ocellatum, and it is unique among shark species in its ability to walk on land. Forrest Delonte, a conservationist and biologist, recently shared a rare footage of this visual new species, of this unusual species in a new special for Discovery Channel's Shark Week called Island of the Walking Shark. This is the first time in history one of the Papuan species of epaulets has been documented walking, Galante said on the show. This is so incredible. Scientists think epaulet sharks, a species found throughout the southern coast of New Guinea and northern coast of Australia, evolved the ability to walk because it helped them forage for food in environments where other sharks couldn't survive. All traits are selected for when it allows a species to survive better and eke out an environment where they're safe and can get food, said Gavin Naylor, director of Florida program for shark research at Florida's Museum of Natural History in Gainesville. Epaulet sharks, which grow to about 3.3 feet or 1 meter in length, swim into shallow coral reefs to hunt for crabs and other invertebrates, their preferred food. When the tide goes out, they're perfectly happy hanging out in tide pools and munching on these creatures, but once they're done, they're trapped. Naylor, who was not involved in the television special, told HiveScience what epaulets have learned to do is to climb up into the reef and plop themselves into the next tide pool. Epaulet sharks can haul themselves hundreds of feet or more across dry land, Naylor said. And fin walking isn't the only adaptation that allows them to do so. This species can survive when oxygen is scarce, spending up to an hour on land on a single breath. HiveScience previously reported this ability also helped epaulets thrive in low oxygen waters or tide pools. Epaulet sharks likely evolved the ability to walk in the past 9 million years, scientists reported in 2020 study published in the Journal of Marine and Freshwater Research. That's incredibly fast for sharks. To put that into perspective, hammerhead sharks, one of the youngest shark groups, evolved around 45 million years ago, according to the Natural History Museum in London, and the epaulet sharks are potentially forming a new species at a remarkably fast rate, Naylor said. Because of the shark's unique mobility, small populations frequently become isolated. You might have one that's in one part of the reef, then it decides to go to on an Australian walkabout, Naylor said. A river or other geographical barrier might shift just enough to cut off a small group of sharks from the main population. Over time, these populations can become genetically distinct as their genes mutate randomly and adapt separately from other gene pools, Naylor said. One big question about these sharks that scientists hope to answer is how the species with so little genetic diversity within the population can produce individuals that differ so greatly in their appearance. Patterns in the epaulet shark's distinctive spots vary so widely that no two individuals look exactly alike, and Naylor and other scientists suspect that epaulets can actually morph their color patterns at will. We haven't proven it, but we think it's happening, Naylor said. So let's go see if we can't catch a glimpse of this. Yeah, that was pretty cool. So that was our walking shark. And yeah. All right. Please remember to be kind. Take care. And we will see you next time.